Fibroids, Detoxify, Diet, and De-stress. If you have fibroids, you may have considered whether natural remedies can be effective, especially if you are unhappy with the lack of treatment options available when it comes to conventional treatment. Although there is no doubt that both surgery and hormonal treatments can be effective in the short term, their long-term value is often called into question because they do not eliminate the root causes. This means that if fibroids are left unchecked, they often grow back within months. There are a number of natural treatment options when it comes to fibroids that could considerably improve your situation. 3 very popular ones are detoxification, changing your diet, and managing stress. The program will empower you to take control of your weight. Detoxify. Many therapists believe that one of the common causes of fibroids is a buildup of toxins in the liver, particularly those which mimic the action of estrogen. Cleansing or detoxing is a good way to stop this from running its course, but it's easier said than done. The main culprits are derived from environmental toxins and pesticides. For example, estrogen is sometimes used as a growth hormone for cattle, and chemicals in certain soft plastics can be released from food containers/food wrap and migrate into the food. Removing these toxins needs to be done carefully, using a combination of traditional detox methods, such as juice fasting, and taking herbs such as liverwort, artichoke, and milk thistle. Diet. What we eat has a huge impact on our overall health, and in terms of fibroid growth, our diets are certainly implicated. Women who are overweight have a tendency towards fibroids, as do those who consume lots of meats, dairy products, sugars, and foods with artificial additives. On the other hand, women who eat what we know to be a healthy diet, Example 1, which includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially dark green leafy vegetables, small amounts of organic lean meats, seeds, nuts, and beans, together with plenty of water, are much less likely to have fibroids. De-stress. We all hear about the negative effects stress can have on our bodies, but many believe it is a stretch too far to believe that stress could contribute to fibroid growth. However, there is evidence to suggest that this could be the case for some women. Stress stimulates a number of biological reactions, including the release of hormones and an increase in blood pressure. Further down the line, blood sugar can increase, and the immune system can become impaired. The increase in blood sugar can alter the bacterial balance within the body, which can trigger conditions such as candida. All this can also result in a rise in estrogen levels overall, which can contribute greatly to fibroid growth. If you can tackle these 3 issues, then you could see an improvement in your condition within a few weeks. However, there is no doubt that the best way to see a fast improvement is to follow a systematic, tried, and tested plan. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.